Flashback.
We gonna meet at Compton. We gonna meet at Compton. Yeah. We here now. We gonna meet at Compton. What? We gonna meet at Compton. We gonna meet at Compton. Nigga, right now. Let that nigga drop. Let that nigga drop. Let that nigga. Calazy. There we go.
5 minutes later.
Come here. You gonna back up too? Hey, you talking to your daddy wrong? Come on, bro. Bro, he gonna go get a test bag. Come on. Let's get it. You been here all day. He gonna go get a test bag. Go get your fucking test bag. He gonna go get a test bag. Go get your fucking test bag. He gonna go get a test bag. He gonna go get a test bag. Hey, I got next. You mad like I ain't drive an hour away too? Hey, I got next. Ain't nobody talking to you. I'm talking to your daddy right here, bro. So what's up? You do know that? Hey, come on. You see these though? I got free, homie. Come on. You know you can't. Come on, bro. Hey, put the guns away, bro. He don't want. Oh, yeah, I got used for free. Everybody got a gun. I don't have one. You better use it because you can't throw these. Man, keep this shit about racing, dog. You don't gotta hear like me. Hey, bro, it's two slow-ass cars racing, bro. Relax, bro. Y'all got me hot on the internet shit, bro. I don't talk on the internet. I told you, bro. Who give a fuck? Hey, he gonna go do a test pass. He gonna go do a test pass. He gonna go do a test pass. Let his car cool down. Mars said make sure your car comes in too, nigga. Hey, I'm right now. I'm right now. Hey, you wanna run me? Y'all saying the same shit like we ain't drive an hour away. What I said, do you wanna run me? We drove an hour away. Okay, do he wanna run me? Yeah. Let's do it. Both of y'all. Both of y'all. Nigga, he boosting. I'm gambling with him and you. Let's do it. I'm gonna race him. Let's do it. You and him. Let's do it. And more. Where he at? I don't wanna hear that shit. Where he at? I drove an hour away. Am I turning it down? Did I turn it down? Hey, did I turn it down? Did I turn it down? Okay. Hey, so we doing? After you? No. Hey, what we doing? Bro, I brought my car out. I don't give a fuck. I'm right here. Y'all done. Y'all not racing. I can say that. He is racing tonight. He is racing tonight. Let's do it. Lock it in. Right? Because you're going to jump, right? You're going to jump. How? You jump here, you're going to jump there. You're going to still use a flashlight. That's the same thing. Are we racing? Why you scared of a tree? Are we racing the car? Why you scared of a tree? Bro, are we racing the car? Yeah. Okay. Hey, do now and later. It's no point of the argument. Hey, now and later. We gonna race the car. Your daddy gonna drive your car, and I'm gonna race it. We lose. I don't give a fuck. Yeah. All right. You're not even racing your car. I'm taking your money, bro. You're not even racing your car. You're not even racing your car. I'm not even racing your car. I'm not even racing your car. It's 25. Man.
3 hours later.
He said 1K. Who? Rafa. Man.
I said I can't.
Also wait first.
So I said I'll do it, but I can't. You know, like,
I just said be here.
Huh? I'm not doing it for free. Running myself.
I'm not fucking doing it for free.
I paid $40 to get in here.
Y'all got 20. Y'all got 20 of y'all. This is just gonna be me. How much you want to bet for?
1,000 inside.
Okay, how much you want to bet? You want to bet at all? Well, no, I bet. We could do. Just talk to your team. 400.
I can't.
Ooh, that's not. I can, man. Just talk to your team. $40 to get in here. Just talk to your team.
I mean, we agreed on 1,000. You said you pull up. I literally just asked for a run. He said he paragraphs.
Who agreed on 1,000?
I told him, like, if you want your big race, you can race for 1,000 aside. And he said pull up, and I pulled up.
No, I just said pull up. He's not a good communicator. It's the same thing what he did. You want me to show you the messages he showed me? I said yeah. I don't even want to talk about that shit, bro. Yeah, okay, same thing he did. Y'all can come up with 1K. Locked in. Yeah, let's go. Come on. We got 2 races, bro. Yeah, let's collect. Let's talk about collecting.
Alright, we're at 1,000 already.
All right.
What's y'all?
This is about to happen. A nigga car about to show out, and they know it's gonna show out, so they about to go huddle up like they did last time, right? And how much you think they're gonna come up with? Like 300 aside, maybe? 500 minimum. It's just me and him. We gonna fill the pot. 1,000.
1K aside.
We gonna fill it up. Me and him. 1,000. 500. The problem is with my car. I'm gonna be honest. He gonna beat me at that. He gonna beat me at the track. I'm a red like that bitch. I ain't gonna act like I'm some super pro driver. So customer car gonna do what it's doing. He gonna eat that shit up.
Y'all heard it, man. Jeez, let's go check his car out.
1.4 up the pot.
1.415. What y'all got?
That's fine. I
already put a measure.
Put your money in the pot. That's fine. All right, now we about to collect. Now we about to collect.
Put it in the pot.
Sir, hold the 100 aside. Nah, fuck with you. Hey, Hey, and he's driving this fucking car. He's driving this fucking car. I'm rolling. Me too.
So yeah, man, y'all heard it, man. He gonna run 1,400. There we go. 1,400. There we go. So it's gonna be a real good one, man. Y'all see what both cars are? No, y'all didn't see what the other car could do, but y'all see what this one do. I ain't gonna give no feedback or nothing, man. Y'all just gonna have to watch the race and let's get into it, man. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the other Camaro that's running. He's gonna be running that boy Oz. Man, this is gonna be crazy, man. They got the pot up to what is it, 1,500? So it's gonna be real. I'm trying to think of words. That's why I'm saying real. But it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be real good, man. Y'all seen what Ozzy did? He ran right after him. I didn't get that footage, so we're gonna have to see what he do. But yeah, man, it's real nice, man. Y'all seen him on the channel before, like I said. So that being said, man, we're gonna get straight into it. Oh, they just upped it to 1,500 now. They just upped it to 1,500, y'all. Sheesh.
What's our chili, man?
You were talking about 4K.
1K minimum. We should have just done a driver to driver for 1K minimum.
They were talking about 4K earlier.
Y'all can't get $300 more? Y'all can't get 300 more? We had 11. It's like 30 of y'all niggas. Well, how about the 50? He gonna side bet. Remember the last time y'all were deep? Y'all was talking all that. Y'all was just as deep.
Nah, Cap was supposed to pull up today.
It don't matter. Just make sure y'all run and go home.
They don't part. Tell them to sell you an extra 400.
Tell them to sell you some chili. I'm just fucking motorcycles up here. That's what I like to see. I'm just giving y'all a hard time, bro. You know what I mean? I'm a cool nigga, bro. I'm a real cool nigga, bro. I'm chill as fuck. You're good. I'm chill as fuck. Now we're just gonna let the cars run. Alright, fight. Alright, fight now. Fight. Go. Yeah, we want to see that shit. I want to see what the fucking jiu-jitsu we got. What we got? I'm a Muay Thai kickboxer, jiu-jitsu too, but I'm just black. I'm a jack-offer, bro. Let's go. I used to do that. Handstand versus Moto. Hey, when you really gonna run? I need to see that. That went over 2 We should do it today, bro. Let's do it tonight. Do it, no doubt. I'm gonna lose right here. I'm gonna red light. Man, red light that shit. I do it if I red light it, as long as it don't matter. I'm gonna take off on the red light too. You know, we both gonna red light that shit. I mean, I can do that too. It don't matter. We can do low. I'm gonna let you know. Right there on the 40. Woo! Pro tree. Let's do a 500 minimum. You can do pro tree. Hey, just do pro tree. It's faster. Boom.
That's what I was telling them. Tell them switch to the pro tree. That's what I was telling you. Switch to the pro tree.
We can do it right now, bro. No daughter. I ain't even trying to pressure like that. It's not his first dig. Hell fucking no. Like it's not his. It ain't his first dig. How old are you, bro? How old are you? 23. I'm 33, bro. I've been racing since I was like 15 years old, bro. Exactly. I'm older than you? How, bro? So you understand? You had 10 years on me, bro. You should have picked your poison, bro. You came I did pick my poison on a road race. That ain't happening. I don't like road racing. You know, I don't like day racing, bro. We both in it. Then we should have just left it at that. We gonna leave it at that. Now my boy right here ready to run. Let's get it. No, we gotta get that 500. Nah, bro. We already. You made me look like shit on Instagram. Hey, we already. When y'all ready?
Where's the other?
Nah, when y'all ready, man. Hey, gotta wait till the check comes in. Hey, y'all might as well go fucking. I got bread. Let's go. Y'all go select y'all. Y'all gonna have to take down for 1,400. Go get 11 and come back. And then we ready. Oh, he over there. What you guys racing for? 11 I know who got the 15. Who put in the 15? We got 20. They missing 20. Oh, it's because they put 40 to 50. Lock it on 20. Hey, you got 20 on sale though. I got the video. I know, who put in the 20? I think we got 12, 20. Hey, y'all two do the thing. Over out the pot. Hey, Ruben. That's fine. 13. Yeah, 13.
So y'all staying at 13 then? 13 then. Alright, so the other side went and collected, man. They came up with 15, but now they're just gonna cut it back down to 13 because the other team already gave their money back and everything. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So we got a couple races for y'all, man. So we got this vet right here. Y'all seen him versus the Hinch, man. Y'all seen that one. And then we got Ozzy versus another Camaro way over there. We about to go check it out right now. They about to put them in the lanes because they about to close them down, like I was telling y'all. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. So yeah, man. Like I was saying, he's running a vet. I'll show y'all the vet. Right now it's not here. It's making a test pass. So I'll show y'all the vet when it comes back. But yeah, man. It's gonna be a real good race, man. They're two quick cars, man, right off the line. So we're gonna see how it goes, man. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the vet right here, man. Like I said, it's full bolt on, man. Fully maxed out. I think. I don't know. I don't really know vets like that. So, but I know he got the high rim. Then he got the front exit, man. Crazy car. Like I said, his 60 foot is crazy, man. So, it's gonna be a real good race, man. It is driver to driver, I believe, 500. So, say it again.
He said jump man.
Jump man? Oh man. So now they didn't see that part of the video yet. This is the intro. So, but yeah, man. So, like I said, driver to driver 500. It's crazy, man. Real crazy. So we're gonna get into it real quick, man. But look at this bad boy right here. I couldn't leave without paying some camera time to this bad boy right here. GT 500 S197, bro. Woo wee. This is yeah. It's coming soon, man. It's coming soon. And I don't know if I'm gonna build that car up to it or if I'm gonna just buy one. But this one right here is beautiful, man. It's beautiful. It looked better than this one for sure. But anyway, yeah, man. We gonna get into it. Sheesh. Woo wee. Yeah, this gonna be a good race. Camaro versus the vet. That vet 60 foot is crazy, but this right here, this is crazy too, man. Here go my boy Oz. I'll put the GoPro in this car. Well, actually, I don't know yet. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see. I gotta get another GoPro, man. But
JR for the win, baby.
yes, sir. So I'm gonna see. I gotta see what car I'm gonna put the GoPro in. I'm probably gonna put it in this race right here, but we'll see, man. Are you faster than the vet?
Oh yeah.
Take off, take off. Alright, y'all, so first up we got Ozzy versus Waffle, man. Then right after that, man, we got the Vet versus Hinch. So man, oh man, back to back, this is gonna be phenomenal. You put it like that, man. This is gonna be phenomenal. Hey, this thing looking extra menacing tonight.
might have pissed me off all day, but I needed my nigga to win that one. Ain't that right? Still my nigga.
Oh, come on now.
What I tell you?
What he
We
say?
started with me and Tone. We started with me and Tone. And we went and took the rest of them.
Man.
We went and took the rest of them.
Tonight. My nigga took off like 3 seconds later. Hey, nigga, the light green, right for go.
That Corvette fast as a motherfucker.
Hey, get off my dick, let me go.
Hey, I need that chili.
Hey, we need that chili.
I need that chili.
Got Ozzy, man.
You see it? You see it?
Yes, sir,
AR for the win all day.
There we got Big Pinch, man. What is that, Big Pinch, man?
Man, he got a little horny, bro.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
You got it? Hey, you got it or no?
Hell no, I started spinning this shit.
Yeah,
He was out of there. I'm like,
why you go?
fuck out. Hey, history trust.
Hey,
Nigga,
come on,
you feel
man.
me? But no, he was out of there. Hey, let's do that shit again next week. Hell yeah. I clean him.
Your last 3 passes, you red it. My bad.
Bro, red light, every light.
For real?
Yeah.
That fool sipped too much lean, bro. That fool sees fucking green and still red. Get it?
Good shit.
Look at him, yeah.
Racing Corporation. VI just merged a couple of years ago. Citron, Deep Show.
Mike, go hit another pass.
That's 9.
Go hit another pass in the fucking Corvette.
We got 60.
Hey, y'all see it? Come on, man. Y'all see it?
Come on, look. Put off on there. What are you
Big
doing?
AR, baby.
Come on, Big AR. Put it off. Here we go, Big AR for the win.
Come on, man. Y'all see it? Big AR for the win.
Hey, hello?
You see that?
Hello? Where the chili at?
Woo! Come on, man. Let me get it. Come on, man. Come on. Stop playing with my nigga. Add up the numbers. Oh, my God. Where's this guy?
Nah. They're still short $80.
They short 80.
Yeah.
Man, all in all, man, AR took it the whole night, man. From the Mustang to the 2 Camaros. The Vette wasn't part of the camp or anything. Really, the only camp race that happened was the Mustang and the Camaro. If y'all seen last video, I put a little card up right here. But that's the only race that happened with camp. The Camaro, that one, they just called him out type joint. So it was all good, man. And then the Vette and the Camaro, they also called him out. So all in all, man, AR came out with all the wins tonight, man. This has been an event, man. If y'all wasn't here to experience the energy, and I hope y'all could feel the energy within the video, man, because this right here is crazy, man. Super crazy, man. But anyway, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more bangers, man. I'll be bringing them all summer long, man. Road to 100K, bro, by the end of the summer, bro. I'm trying to make it happen, man. Setting goals, and we gonna reach them, man. So road to 100K, man. Trying to get there, man. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. Share the videos. Make sure y'all put a like, man. What you say? But yeah, man, make sure y'all like the video, man. It goes a long way, man. Trust me, it goes a long way, man. So that being said, man, make sure y'all cop the merch. It's not gonna look like this, you feel me? I put some picture up right here or whatever. But make sure y'all cop some merch, man. I should have some bigger sizes in the near future, so y'all stay tuned for that. Follow me on IG, man, so y'all can keep up with all that. And that being said, man, we out of here. Sheesh.